Alright, hello everybody. Today I have a review of the Ikea Alex drawer unit. But before we get into that, if you guys could go down, hit the subscribe button for more lifestyle and tech type videos, that'd be very much appreciated. But now let's get right into it. So this is the Ikea Alex drawer unit. This is probably the most standard in the black/brown color. They also have different Ikea drawers. They have a more wider drawered one. They have taller ones. They have a file cabinet type drawer unit. This is the more standard one. These top two drawers here are a little bit smaller, and the rest of them are a tiny bit bigger size. I don't know if you can tell. Let me back up a little bit. But yeah, that's those are the drawer sizes. They come in a lot of different colors. A lot of people like the white color, and there's a few other colors I'm pretty sure that you can get. But this black/brown one is really nice, and it fits in with my setup. The other colors could probably fit in with your guys' setup. This unit is also used quite often for an Ikea desk hack that you can buy from Ikea, or you could do yourself. I'll show some examples on the screen right now. I personally did not do that because I didn't think it fit in with my setup. I didn't really need it, and I just like it to the side here. It has good storage. It also is really easy to put together. My dad and I put it together in under an hour, 30 minutes probably. Fairly easy, but still looks good and is quite sturdy. It fits good stuff. I have these drawer organizers that I keep in here. Also, it can hold, let's see, right here, this is my drawer with the most stuff in it. It makes it the most heaviest, but there's no problem pulling it in and out or anything like that. I really recommend this drawer for if you want it with your setup. A lot of girls use it to hold makeup and stuff like that. You can have it in your office. You can use the taller version if you want a lot more space. You can use the wider version if you need more space per drawer. I think it's a great drawer unit for many different types of things, more than just having it next to your setup or using the Ikea desk hack. It's a very versatile drawer unit. You can use it in offices and bedrooms. So far I really like it, and you guys can check the link in the description to this one that I have right here. And thank you guys for watching.